Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. This video was a suggestion from a subscriber to the channel, Adeline. She asked me if there was any way Collaboration Coach videos could be posted to a Teams channel whenever they were added to YouTube. And there is. I figured out a basic way to do it and it will work with any YouTube channel that you like. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Teams channel to my YouTube channel, which will automatically create a new post in Teams every time a video is added. Just a quick overview of how this works. I'm going to use the RSS app, which is available through the Teams App Store. You'll probably know that RSS is used to subscribe to feeds like blogs, but it also works with YouTube. Every time the feed gets an update, like me adding a video to my YouTube channel, everyone subscribed to the feed gets the update. To set this up, I'll install the RSS app and connect it to a channel in one of my teams. And then I'll subscribe to the YouTube channel and that is it. First, I need to install the RSS app. So I'll go to the Apps button on the left-hand rail and type RSS into the search box. Then I'll choose the RSS app from the results. I'll choose Add to Team. Then I need to search for the team and the channel that I want to add it to. So if I type marketing, for example, it will list all the channels from the marketing team and I can choose one. I'm going to choose General. Then I'll choose Set up a connector. In Teams, RSS is known as a connector because it basically connects teams to a feed. And obviously in this case, the feed is YouTube. Next, I have to set up the connection. Where it says enter a name for your RSS connection, you can type whatever you like, and I'll use Collaboration Coach. This is the tricky bit, putting this RSS feed address together. In the address for RSS field, I'll use a certain format, which is this. And I'll add that to the description if you want to grab it from there rather than type it. I'll also need the ID of the channel that I want to connect to. To do that, I can get the YouTube channel ID by opening up YouTube. I search for my channel, Collaboration Coach, and then I can grab the ID from the address here. In my browser, I'll select the ID, which is the bit after the / here, and then right-click it and copy or Control-C. Then I'll add my channel ID to the end of the feed just after the equal sign and I end up with this. The digest frequency really depends on how often the YouTube channel is updated. So as an example, if I want to check for updates every day, I can set it to daily. Then I press save. It will take me back to where I started and I'll see one configured RSS connector. To test that's worked, I can just go to the channel that I added the YouTube feed to and I'll see an RSS post with a list of YouTube videos. Now because it's the first time it's used the feed, I think it gets the last 10 videos. From then on, every time a new video is added to the channel, it will just post that one, like this. If you ever want to change the configuration, just go to the channel that you added it to, choose the ellipsis and then connectors. And then on the connectors page, choose configured under manage. Expand the configured section and then choose manage. Then open up the feed and you can change the settings or remove it altogether. And if you want to delete the RSS app to remove all feeds, go to the ellipsis next to Team, choose Manage Team and then Apps. And you can use the bin icon and that will remove all the RSS feeds. Okay, so that's how you add a YouTube video feed to your Teams channels. Thanks Adeline for the suggestion and to you for watching and I'll see you next time.